Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we got a little stash ads, a couple shop cards I want to do a shout out for, and kind of run with that. So wife was out and about in Saginaw, and she stopped at the big HL and picked me up some kits at the 40% off, of course, because you know we don't like to buy them at that point. She says, I hope you don't have these. And I thought, hey, anytime you pick me up a kit, I'm very appreciative of it. So it doesn't matter what it is. Even if I got 10 of them, that's fine with me. I don't care. But first of all, we'll do some shop cards first. Like I say, I got 2 of them here. And I got the airbrush guys that I'm going to get sent out. And forgive me, I can't remember the name on it. So, but yeah, so if you guys are watching that video, like I said, I was taking the very first comment, and whoever put it out there that said, hey, I want it. So the very first comment on the video, the guy says, send it to me. I thought, okay. So there we go. So first off, guys, we got Half-Ass Model Garage. So love it. So Norman's channel, guys, go check him out. He's got a pretty good channel going on, and he's got some pretty cool builds on there. So Norman, thank you so much for the words on the back. I really appreciate it. And I love the card. I think that's cool. I like the card. You know, I like it when people do realistic things, like they're in the picture. I think that's cool. Makes it personalized. Good stuff. So, once again, great channel, and guys, go check them out. And both these cards, there will be links in the description below for their channel. So go check out Half-Ass Model Garage. Yeah. So thank you for the card. I appreciate it. Next card, it's my buddy Joe at Just Below Average Model Cars. So, got Joe's card. Joe's got a great channel as well. I love the Fords on there, my man. Awesome, love it. So yeah, so guys, go check out Joe's channel. He does some pretty good work as well, and he's got some nice NASCARs in. I love the Fox body in front there. Awesome. So once again, like I say, go check these guys out. 2 great channels. Tell them Craig sent you over. So we'll run with that. So I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for the cards. And that's awesome. Really appreciate it. Like I say, there'll be links in the description for both of those and all that fun-filled stuff. Moving on, I got some Hobby Lobby buys. Like I mentioned earlier, the wife picked up. And good stuff. You know, just great stuff. So, first off, I had this kit. I didn't want to tell her I did. I have it, but I told her, you know, I said, I got that kit. But you know what? This is a cool kit. A lot of you guys have built this kit. I've seen this kit around a gazillion times. It's a repop. It's a remake. It's a redo. It's a whatever. 66 Malibu SS 2-in-1. Nice kit. Take the glare off. I don't know if it's glaring or not. I can't tell. But I tell you what, I thought, you know what? Now I got 2 of them. Because this is the flip noser. And I thought, now I can do one in the black. Because I like that. I like that with the flames. You can't go wrong with a black car with flames on. I mean, anyways, I think that's cool looking. I'd like to do that. And I really like the white box art. I think that's really sharp as well. But anyways, I have another one of these on the shelf, and I know a lot of you guys always talk about this kit. And I've never built this kit. Ever. So, it's going to be a first for me. Another kit. I've never had this kit. And I think I had a friend of mine ask me if I had this or not, and I thought, well, I do now. So thinking maybe trade, not sure. We'll see. The Chevy Nova Pro Stocker, the Nova SS. This bad boy here. So another kit I've never built before. It's got a lot of cool options on this kit too. So as usual, typical AMT. Got your map on the back, and this doesn't look like a lot of parts in this, so it'd probably be a quick builder, you know, like one of those quick weekend slump buster type things as we all go with. So I don't know, that looks kind of a cool. I kind of like the box art on the front with the, was that old Pro? So that's kind of cool looking. I like it. Last one she picked up, of course, it's a, you know, save the best for last. The 60 Ford F100 pickup with the trailer. So I know it's a newer release, and I see a lot of you guys are getting this kit. Very cool looking. Like I say, it's got the trailer with it. It's a heavy box, got a lot of goodies in it. So looking at the road map on the back, like I say, I know it's got a trailer, but There's there's a lot of stuff in there, and I just hit my elbow on the table, so that's really great there. I don't know why they ever call it the funny bone, because there ain't nothing funny about it, because it hurts like a mother. Okay, we're over it. So this all new tooling. I have not built this kit yet either, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty cool builder. I like how they give you the stuff and the accessories, you know. So you get the fire extinguisher, the gas can, the pry bar, not pry bar, 4-way. It's not pry bar. Come on. First time doing this stuff, and a trophy. So if you want to make it that truck, you can make it a trophy truck, and it'll be sharp as can be. I tell you what, I really like the looks of the engine they got on the front here with the red valve covers. I'm loving that. That's going to be me. That's going to be my truck right there. Got the tri-power on there included. So we'll see. Because I don't know what this has for a stocker engine. But that kind of looks like a pretty cool build. Okay. Other than that, guys, that is what I have for you for this time around. Like I say, those all come from Hobby Lobby, our favorite non-hobby shop, I guess if you want to go that route, as long as they're on sale. So like I said, I was thankful for my wife picking those up for me. I'm always grateful when she does that. Have them or not, it doesn't matter. It's always a win-win. Can't ever have enough model kits, right? It's almost like an addiction. You know, you're thinking, I got enough kits, but do you? I kept saying I'm going to scale back, but I just keep ending up with more and more. So I try to rearrange the room, and yeah, so the room's always changing because of that, just because I'm outgrowing them. So JT, he sent the Mustang over, so I got that hanging on the wall, and that's looking fantastic. So JT, thank you so much for that. That's just super awesome of you sending that. So we got it up and running. She looks cool. So other news, channel news, I guess we'll go that route. We are going to Acme. We are still heading down. Acme is coming up this coming weekend on the 26th. So if you guys are in the neighborhood in Georgia, just like me, we're just in the neighborhood, thought we'd stop in and check it out from Michigan. So we're taking the drive down. We are leaving. We're leaving Thursday morning, about 4 in the morning, and we're going to do the straight drive down for about 10.5 hours. So that's what we're going to do. So due to my brother's funeral last week, like I say, work was pretty gracious and giving me a lot of time off for it. Yeah, so I told him I'd try to cut my little trip here a little short, just because, you know. So yeah, so we are heading down Thursday morning, and we're going to try to do the straight shot down. So that'll be good times. It'll be fun. And yeah, so hopefully we get there about 7 is my plan. I think it said it's 10 hours or something like that. But yeah, it'll be fun. It'll be a good time. I don't have no new builds to take with me. I got a few new ones that I finished up here recently. I was really wanting to finish that GTP Mustang. Didn't happen. Just the things going on last week. I just did not get back on it. Or the 67 I got over here on the table. I would have really liked to have done that as well. But I don't think I'm going to take anything new. I just didn't get nothing finished. But that's okay. As they say, there's always next year. So whatever. It's not a big deal. After that, we got Detroit show coming up here back in Michigan, and that's a good show if you guys have never been to that show. Awesome show, awesome down at Macomb. You got to go to it. So, but yeah, so we are planning on being at Georgia at the Acme show. So if you guys are down in the area, go check it out. And for all you guys that are going to be there, look me up, say hi. You know, pull me off the side. If I'm videoing, that's fine. Come up and say hi to me. I'm good either way. So. Should be a good time. Looking forward to it. So other than that, we will see you guys in Georgia. If not, we'll see you in the next video. So you guys have a good one, and thanks for watching, and we will catch you the next time around. We'll see you.